Hello everyone, my name is 𝗤𝗎𝗓, contestant number 16, representing Delhi. By profession, I am a teacher and I am very much fun-loving lady. I am selected for the final round of Mrs. East India Beauty Pageant 2022. For this, I want to thank Mrs. 𝗦𝗨𝗝𝗜𝗓 ma'am for this opportunity and encourage and motivate me to be the part of this event, which will held in December 2022. Women are not only made for kitchen, each women have right to live their life according to their desire, and nowadays women are in all fields, whether they are in skyland or in sea. We have equal right to live our life and choose the path we want. I would like to request all the women out to come out and explore yourself. If you want to be the part of such event, just visit East India Beauty Pageant Facebook page. Thank you.